episodes a little bit more um, together. I know that's not the word, but you know, I just recently woke up. I'm tired still. Stayed up until 3 o'clock. It's not very healthy, but you know, I did it. When we last left off, we made it through Park of Hell and Insano Chainsaw Man, and we left out on this amazing view with pyramids in the distance. And I think Chicago. But anyways, we were about to go and see what the fuck's gonna pop out of these here windows and be an asshole, and luckily, nothing did that, so. We also got a call from a girl, so I guess we'll see how that goes. She said something about being on top of a building. Okay. Oh, hey look, ammo for the gun that I still didn't pick up. Is that gonna come bite me in the ass later? Why do I feel like that's... Oh my god. Alright. Welcome back, guys. Last time we left off, nothing happens. Yeah, oh hey, so I'm gonna jump out these windows, oh boy. Shut up. Oh, good. The bullet sound is still broken. Great. Down. What is wrong with the gun sound? Oh, Jesus Christ. Ow, that's right. Other assholes exist. Equip. Can't even see him anymore. That's not good. Oh, hey, look. They're giving me a lot of ammo. Should I be worried? What is up with my sound effect? If anybody knows how to fix this, please let me know. I mean, it's not a huge deal, I guess, but, you know, it'd be nice to be able to have sound. Aha, I was right, it was a girl.
Sophie? What the hell are you doing here?
Oh, hi, Simon.
What? I don't understand anything now.
What is it that you don't understand?
What do you think? The whole fucking city is crawling with monsters, and I mean, suddenly you just turn up on these rooftops? What are you doing here? Are you hurt?
Oh, monsters? Simon, you're scaring me.
Scaring? Oh, what the fuck? This is just sick. Well, maybe it's just...
Let's talk about something else. How have you been?
I don't know. I'm just confused. You?
Not too bad, thank you. Better now that you're here.
Yeah. I'm glad you're here too, Sophie. I've been alone all this time.
I see. Sounds tough.
But what about yourself? Why are you here? Are you hiding up here from those things?
No, I really don't understand what you're talking about. I'm just thinking.
Thinking? Yeah, I've been doing a lot of that too. Do you remember how you got here?
I don't know.
No, because I woke up myself, but it was in an alley, and Wait, I can probably show you.
No, hush, Simon. Can't we just sit here for a while?
Yeah. Sure.
Do you want to know something?
Yes. Yes, I do. I want to know just what in the fuck is going on here. Is it about that doctor guy in the gas mask?
Doctor? Simon, please. No, I mean about school.
Oh. Yeah? What?
Well, I don't know if you knew, but I always had a hard time at school. You were pretty much the only guy who was kind to me. I never said it, but I really want to thank you for making my life a little bit more bearable. You're a cute guy, Simon.
Yeah. Yeah, you did have it pretty rough. Thank you.
Yeah.
I guess I helped you because I liked you. You were one of the prettiest girls at school, and I don't know, I guess I wanted to protect you. I don't love you, but I think I could if we got to know each other better. You're so beautiful, Sophie.
Why haven't you said anything?
I never had the courage. I mean, I wasn't exactly the toughest kid in school, was I? But now we're here alone, I feel stronger. I've always liked you, Sophie.
Oh, Simon, I don't know what to say. I always liked you too, but not in that way. I always thought that you were just a friend, nothing more. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Oof. Way to set him up and then knock him down, Sophie.
Shit. Damn, so much stuff has happened lately. All this craziness, the darkness and the monsters. I think I'm going crazy. I'm so glad I found you.
I know. A lot of things have been going on lately.
Yeah, really. Was it you who tried to phone me, by the way?
Yeah, I wanted to talk to you. To get away from it all.
Oh, but what? Out here?
No, away from everything. Away from all this.
What? What do you mean?
You know full well what I mean.
Wait a sec. You mean all... No! 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 Sophie. Why did she... What the fuck? This isn't making any sense.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, it's just this cute little guy going out on a little balloon ride. He's so excited. Look at
You
him.
made her do it. Why? Why? You sick fuck!
You know, I think Simon's been here too long. He's just talking to them like they're, normal people. Ow, ow. Is there anything that I can possibly hide behind? I don't think it really matters where I shoot him. Also, that was like a whole lot to uncover in like that whole entire cutscene. Give me a couple minutes and I'll talk about it, but yeah, silent gunshots. This is the way to go. This is definitely the way to go. Is he just shitting heads now? He's not even throwing them at me anymore. Damn it, I to stop preemptively reloading. I forgot that's not a thing here. So I was right. They were giving me ammo for some reason, and it turns out this was that reason. Oh, guys, I know why you're not hearing any gunshots. I got an integrated silencer from, you know, the world of Yonder and bullshit. And why the fuck is there no sound? It's almost starting to annoy me. And there goes all those bullets. Back to using these, apparently. Damn it, I really wish I was able to grab that M16 or whatever it was. Oh, his little balloon ride's over. Anyways, that was a dark cutscene. Holy shit! What is that? That's a key card on her body. So what? Do I just walk back down normally? Is there anything else? Damn it! I really wish I grabbed that gun. Holy shit, I almost died. And I would have had to have done that whole thing over again. Oh, I almost did it again. That was dark. Whole conversation was also kind of awkward as hell too, if you think about it. Oh wait, no, she died on the other side, that's right. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, that's right, there's one of those bed monsters that I didn't kill. Come on, unzoom. Okay, I was about to say, her body's gone!
Sophie.
Simon, let me go.
I love you, Sophie.
I have to leave. Please.
I fucking love you.
Just let me go, Simon.
Yay, finally in chapter 4. What am I gonna... Okay, that should be in 3. I don't know why it's not. Oh, it's because I dropped it. What should I drop? I mean, I kind of need the morphine, as you guys have heard me scream several times before. And I kind of need the melee weapon. You know, I'll just drop the handgun. I don't know. I don't know. Shit. Man, everything is so quiet. Alright, well, let's... Where do I go with this key card? It was in here, wasn't it? No. What? Wasn't it in here? I can't remember anymore. Well, if I can't find it soon, I'll just cut off. Yeah, it was down here, never mind. Nope. It was down here, never mind. going back for that handgun. I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. I got the gun. Because Lord only knows that, you know... door won't open. Elevator stuck, I can't use it. Don't even know what that is. Stairs. Why do I hate this so far? I know, I'm loving this. Okay, there's a door down there. There's a door down here. And I guess I'll look in here first. See if I regret this decision. I think maybe this was the way I was supposed to go. Oh my god, more morphine. Yes, my drug addiction shall flourish. Oh, Jesus Christ, it's monsters with guns now? I mean... Oh no, that's not... What the fuck just happened? Ow. Damn it, they hurt a lot. Do they not all drop bullets, or... Oh, nope, they do. Alright, well, I'm just getting buttloads of handgun ammo, so I mean... That's pretty cool. Oh, this isn't fucking terrifying at all. So, why are there not any gunshots coming from me, but there's plenty coming from enemies? Okay, I think I have to go down there. I'm gonna look around just a little bit, see if I can't find anything. I can't even read that. Oh hey! Not at all. Not at all Pasnonic. Cause I'm lazy like that. Fuck you, stairs. Need to place a fuse in here in order to unlock the door. So I wonder... Oh my god. Fucking tripping. Worst thing to ever exist. Anyways, I wonder if that other door that I was supposed to walk through is actually where I'm supposed to go. Or not the other door that I was supposed to walk through, but the other door that I could walk through is where I'm supposed to actually go for now to get the key to progress. Guess we'll find out. Shan't we? No, this is where I came from. It's the other way. Excuse me. Jesus Christ! Oh, there's no point in going back here. Oh. My heart. Alright, I'm good. Everything's fine. So, apparently the fuse is out here somewhere. Just gonna save. Oh my god. Anyways, fuse. What about down here where that other guy was? You know, the one that would make more sense to go down. Didn't fully register that there was a door down here. Oh, there's something blocking the door. I wonder what's gonna pop out at me when I come back through this door. You little son of a bitch! He's back! He's fucking back! No! No, 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 no! I can't... Come on. Come on. Sprint. Sprint me up. Sprint me up. I require the sprints. Wait, I think I'm supposed to trap him in here. Yep, like this. Nope, I die. But no, that's what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to trap him in there. That's what I'm supposed to do. I get it. I get it. I get it. It's okay. I get it. I get everything now. It just, you know, decided not to give me any... Shit. Fuck, he's fast. If anybody heard that snap, crackle, pop, I'm sorry, that was my neck. Oh my god, I'm hating literally all of this. Come on, little fucker. Damn it! So yeah, if I shoot him, it stuns him for like literally a split fucking second. And there goes... Okay. Damn it. Alright, let's try this again. But yeah, no, I'm supposed to trap him in there. How the fuck are you supposed to trap him in there? That's what I want to fucking know. I mean, why can't I just fucking kill him? It isn't like I haven't killed somebody with a chainsaw before. Oh my god, he's too fast. That's almost unfair. Damn it. What am I talking about almost unfair? That is severely unfair. I'm just gonna go ahead and regain stamina before I attempt anything. Get it! No, I'm stuck! I'm stuck! This isn't fair! No! Damn it! I got it! I had it! I could taste it. It was right there. It was scrumptious, and I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. Just in case he decides to be a dick this one time around. Holy shit, I had it! It was there. I did it, and now I have to try again. Alright. Son of a bitch! You know, it's unfair when he runs faster than the speed of sound and kills you in... And there goes my keyboard again. Damn it. It's unfair when he runs super damn fast and only kills you in one shot. Not two, at the very least, to kind of help you out a little bit. No, it's 1. I have to sprint in increments just so I don't run out of sprint too damn fast. Damn it. Damn it, that first time was perfect. Alright. Oh, come on, man. Damn it. Maybe I'm supposed to use my pistol. Oh, I'm hating this. I hate these little parts where it makes you have to do something like this. Damn it. So close I could taste it that first time. But no, I got stuck in the gate. Okay, I wonder if, like, I let him in. I run down here, and then... Oh my god. Oh, I'm living in an apartment where every now and again they do yard work, and this dude just came out with a leaf blower and scared the shit out of me. I thought the chainsaw guy was behind me in real life. No, there's no way, because he doesn't even, like, recover with the chainsaw. He just attacks immediately. Like, seriously, there's a difference between being hard and then impossible. Aha! Fuck you, you little piece of shit! Oh my god! Oh. Jesus Christ. There's no point in coming back here except for just to have, like, a little jump scare. That's bullshit. I can't even go back to save. So if I die, which probably might not happen considering I have 2 morphine, but if I were to, I'd have to do that all over again. Little asshole. Fuck you. God damn it. Alright, what do I... Oh, 3 morphine. Okay. Where do I go? In here? Door is locked. In here? It won't budge. Oh, I'm still recovering. My heart... It is in pain. My poor, poor heart. What do I do then? I mean, everything's boarded up or locked. Like, even the door that I just came in through is locked, and then that is locked. Something is blocking the door. Oh my god. That was just a bit too much for me. That scared the shit out of me. Where do I go? What do I do? Fucker. We'll stay in there forever. What? Okay, where do I go? What do I do? Because all the other doors, or at least the doors that I'm seeing, are locked. I don't know, I'm not even seeing any ladders or anything. I mean, I might even just have to cut it right here and come back. Yeah, I'm not seeing any ladders. I don't think I was supposed to go down there because I already did. Yeah, alright, I'll be right back, you guys. The interior is destroyed, not gonna work, alright. Yeah, no, I'll be right back.